Eyes for Indy.
You vlog here, Hey y'all! Today is a new day, guys. It is our 5th day in Istanbul, I think.
But first, we're going to get our Pasali card for the football game.
Yeah, but let's see you if it's really dangerous, but I think it is. A Pasali card is a mandatory electronic identification and ticketing card required to purchase tickets and enter football stadiums for all matches in Turkey. A ferry ride from Karaköy, European side, to Kadikoy, to the Asian side of Istanbul, is a scenic and easy 15 to 25-minute trip. Ferries depart from the Karaköy Pier near the Galata Bridge, requiring an Istanbul card for payment. It is a budget-friendly way to cross the Bosphorus, offering great views of the city skyline. Guys, we are here because we are going to Asia on a ferry. OMG! It's the water class!
Asia, the Asia part of Turkey.
Çiya Sofrası, located in Istanbul's Kadikoy market, is known for preserving authentic regional Anatolian and Ottoman cuisine, famously featured on Netflix's Chef's Table. Guys, this is the moon bar. It was like what we ate a few days ago on the second day. This is
That's the one with the eggplant?
This is the one with the eggplant.
What is this again? Oh, the pilau. Yes. Oh, thank you.
This is the stuff. And lastly, this is the pistachio. Soup, right?
Yep. What is this?
Baklava and chai. It's a perfect combination.
Your local dessert. First thing is cooking.
Oh my God. böyle görünüyor.
When purchasing a jersey on the Fenerbahce store, you can choose your own kit, select the player's name and number, or add your own custom text like your own name and number. Dondurma, which means freezing, is a unique Turkish ice cream that is hard and chewy in texture and is incredibly resistant to melting.
You can actually taste the...
The cheesecake is really good too. And if you're here at Kadikoy,
You should definitely go to this cafe called Sakura. This is the Sakura green tea. It is amazing. It literally smells so good. You can literally taste the petals, guys. Look, this is the cortado. He says you can literally taste the whatever it is in the cortado. And the cheesecake, I almost finished it in like a second, guys. Amazing place. 5 stars. Let's go. 5 stars out of 5.
we want this.
We are finally eating mussels. It's only 40 cents. US dollars.
For your tea. Enjoy. Are you loving it here?
Yeah, I really love this place.
They would always give you lollipop, candy, freebies, and other gift items, right?
Yeah.
All the stores that we went to, sometimes they would even give you free drinks.
Yeah. This is free, by the way, guys.
It's 10 o'clock and this place is still so alive.
True, guys. Balik ekmek, or fish bread, is a popular Turkish street food made of a freshly grilled mackerel fillet served in a bun with onions, tomatoes, lettuce, and lemon juice. That's it, guys. We're almost freezing. And that's it for today from our Asia vlog. See y'all in the next video. Bye, guys. That's it for our trip from Europe to Asia. Hope you enjoyed. Dun, 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 dun.